For some reason, I have always enjoyed this time of the day when it's before everything starts in a way. And it's half an hour until we can see the sun. This guy over there, he has been parking here for a week. So you see, you can absolutely live in a car. Why not? Experience a lot. Wow. And it's still 25 minutes before the fireball is to be seen over there. Oh my. That color, huh? Amazing. And the sunrise and the sunsets are never the same. At the same place, never looks the same. There's trillions of versions of the sunrise. Just imagine, huh? Some place over here, on that direction, the surely chaos usually comes. Somehow they understand the time too. Quite precisely around sunrise. They are on this beach. Yeah, but the doggies have become a little problem. They are hunting the birds and they don't like that, of course. It is the third day now that the ocean is so quiet in the morning. The Mediterranean, the edge of Europe. This is absolutely, it's just a couple of kilometers down there, and then we got Gibraltar. Interesting lights, 8:15 in the morning. No birds yet. They normally rise right before the sun is to be seen. And it's still 15 minutes until she comes over there. So beautiful. That seagull is often around here. Yeah. Did you find it? Yeah? What a strange thing. And it's quite heavy too. Funny. It's like it's the roots of the bamboo. So amazed. That must have happened during the storm. Wonderful Mother Nature. It's probably one of the few things in this world that can heal you from whatever you need to be healed from. Spending time in the nature. In exactly 5 minutes, the sun will be seen about under that cloud over there actually. Yeah. See what I mean? Like the ocean is quiet and take a nap for about a minute or so. Just when the sun oh yeah, and they are here on the other beach. Hello guys, I've been waiting for you. Yeah, I have. Good food for you today. Seafood. Yeah. Careful, we are afraid of the dog. Yeah. Good bird. Yeah, no, my God. Much more birds around there than you can think. Yeah, Mama. It's yours.